You wanna know who I am? Folks call me the Bone Man. Ain't my real name, but it's the one that stuck. Tonight on Requiem Radio, we go to Ames, Iowa. There's a bell tower there at the heart of campus. It chimes like clockwork. But every year them bells start ringing off rhythm. Not everyone hears it, but the ones who do don't always come back. This one's called Don't Fear the Bell Tower. The Iowa State University Bell Tower, Central Campus. The campanile rises 110 feet in the air, full of bells and old stories. In 1976, Emily Rothenberger climbed it every night. Music history major. Blonde hair, pale skin, always scribbling lyrics in the margins of her notebooks. She'd fallen hard for one song that summer. Don't Fear the Reaper. Played it over and over, not for comfort, for research. She was studying how pop music talks to death. She called it death rock. Said the Reaper wasn't about dying, it was an invitation. She brought a reel-to-reel recorder up into the campanile's playing cabin. Sat under the bells. Played that song 74 times. Wrote notes between every spin. On the 75th time, she didn't come back. Her roommate said she left just after midnight. A janitor saw lights on in the tower around 1. By morning, her coat was still there. Her tapes, the recorder was still spinning, but Emily was gone. Just a matchbook beside the recorder, from a bar in campus town that burned down in '68. They never found her. 17 years later, in 1994, a sophomore named Julius Kane got curious. He stayed in Ames over fall break, found one of Emily's old tapes in a locked drawer at the music department, hauled it up into the same tower, played it once. The song was degraded, full of hiss, but under the music Julius heard something strange. Bells, not the cowbell that everybody knows so well. Not the carillon bells, those weren't scheduled to ring. These were slow, mournful, faint, one low, one shrill. He digitized the tape, slowed it down. The bells were still there, faint but deliberate. Julius copied Emily's notes from the archive, went back up to the campanile. Alone, snow coming down, campus empty. He wrote a message in his notebook that night. It's not a song, it's a signal. He didn't come back after break. Campus security found him slumped on the bench inside the playing cabin, eyes wide open, still breathing. His headphones were on, the song was looping. That same final chord stretched thin, and under it those bells again. He never woke up coma. 3 months later he died at the hospital during a lightning storm. Nurses said the intercom flickered. For just a moment they heard music, then bells, then silence. They cremated him with his Walkman. The campanile still stands. The bells of Iowa State still ring. But students talk. They say the tower record's more than sound. That if you stay too long, it splices you into the music. like a ghost in the groove. Once a DJ had played Kane's Don't Fear the Reaper tape live on air. Halfway through the bridge, the studio lights dimmed, stayed dim for 5 minutes. The recorded and corrupted file replaced with a new one, titled Emily 75 Final Dot Wave. No one could open it. Every year on the anniversary, a few brave souls gather under the campanile. Some bring cassette players, old ones, old analog. They press play on that song. If you listen close during a bridge, there's a whisper, "Come with me." And if you do, you don't come back.
You've been listening to Requiem Radio, where music bleeds into the supernatural. And that was Don't Fear the Bell Tower. Some say the dead don't speak, but some songs got more in them than melody. They got bells. Ain't gonna be no more tonight. Y'all rest easy, and don't let the dark drive you home.